Aloha and welcome to my YouTube channel. Terry Edmonds here, coming to you from my workshop in Maui, Hawaii. I do so many different projects in my studio that it's funny, they all happen at once. So I just happened to get a bunch of motorcycle jackets in for certain different repairs. And they're lovely. This gentleman owns a Ducati and he found this great patch and he wanted me to put that on. So that was nice. I was able to go in through the lining. I didn't sew through the lining. I opened up the lining and went in through the leather. I also did one on his side arm here. And then one of the other things that was happening was that his zipper was broken here. And because of that, I had to actually replace the zipper for him, which was fine. It takes some time because, you know, they have such precision. So we've got a new zipper for him. So that's really fun. And then I had this racing suit, and this is a full suit, as you can tell here. It's so heavy. So on his patches on the shoulders, they were a hard plastic, and that had just completely crumbled and disintegrated. So it did have a pad on the inside that gave me the pattern to use. And so I've done the padding on the inside along with a nice leather piece to give them some protection, and then just finished off with the final detailing that it had originally. And again, lucky on this one, the zipper actually, the lining unzipped, so it was easy to get my sewing machine in there. But let me tell you, this thing, oh, it was so heavy. I had to hold it with one arm and try and stitch with the other one, but it's solid, and I'm excited to have the client get that back. Then we have this fantastic, I love all the patches on his jacket, and I'm actually replacing the zipper for him. I've already taken the zipper out, and I'm putting in a new zipper for him, so he'll be up and running. I think he's got a couple of these. But anyway, super fun. All kinds of unusual things that can come through my door. So thanks for sharing. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much from Maui, Hawaii. Aloha.